There's a lot of videos show you how to take this thing apart, this Ninja Max air fryer. And a lot of people are having trouble with this switch right here, which is just the screws in the bottom for this, and take this off and you can test it right here with the tester. And if it works, that's good. Then you got to go to the next step, which I have to do. So then the next step, and all the videos I've seen, and none of them show you how to do this part. This part that goes on the top, that has to come off. There's no bolts or anything, no easy way to do it. So I took my crowbar and just put it at that corner of each little clip and pried it real easy and pried it up, and then it came off. And it has 2, 4, 6 of those, and you got to get right at them. If you do it, if you pry it here or here, it's going to break it. You have to pry it right here, right here, right here, and the same thing in the back, here, in the center, and here. And then it'll come off. Pops right off. Then you got to get these 4 screws out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's one other thing you got to do. So let me go get a screwdriver and take those out. Now, it don't necessarily take a screwdriver this long, but that's what I had in my shed available. You just put it in there and take these screws out. Take all 4 of these screws out and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I got them 4 screws out, this thing just lifts right off. So I say, just like that, and then you got to take this plug off right here. Okay, you gotta, where am I at? You gotta push this little piece in right here to get it to unlock and pull that out. Now, the more I'm looking at this, the more I'm thinking maybe that wasn't necessary, but we're going to keep going, because what I need to get to is not here, I don't think. Let me just look right here. I don't see anything wrong with this board. None of this stuff. The cap's good. Those 2 caps are good. Everything looks good on this end. So now, I think the part I need's in there, but I gotta take it apart a little bit further, I think. Let me check it out and I'll be right back. Okay, just as I expected, or suspected, there's more screws. 1, 2, and 2 on this side, 3, 4. So I gotta take those out. Okay, now that I got those screws out, let's see what happens. Oh, so that comes off like that. Wow. Now, I need to get this separated. Let's see. There's 1 screw right there. Son of a gun. Now I gotta take that off. Now I'll take that screw out. Lift it off like that. And we're getting closer. We're getting closer. Let's see. Now I gotta take this bolt loose from the fan. And it's to the right is loose and to the left is tight. So it's backwards thread. So now I gotta go find a socket and take that off. Okay, I got the nut and the washer off of there. The fan blade is loose. Now I gotta see if this will come up. Yeah, there it comes. It's coming up. And this is the culprit right here. There's a fuse link right here. I gotta get it out and see what I can do with it. Even with everything loose, it's still not easy. But let me see if I can get that out. So that's the culprit right there. If you want to go through the process of changing it, it don't cost very much. And I mean, it's, you know, I don't know how much, but it don't cost very much. And you have to put it back through this hole and put it back in this clip here and put everything back together in the reverse process that I just showed you, taking it apart. And it will work again. But I don't know if I'm going to do that. Because this one's kind of dirty and it's probably time for a new one. We've had it for years. It's been great. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.